Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I came with the special activities for everyone. You can do this activity with your child at home or at the classroom with your students. How you can do fun and learn same time with the basic shapes. First, I'm going to show you a book about shapes, and then I'm going to show you how you can cut out with construction papers and also make activity with that shape with different kind of things. So let's start. Title of the book is Building Shapes. Okay, and this is the front of the book. Let's open the book and find out what is inside the book. Oh, I could see there's some triangles, square and rectangles. And with this shape, they draw a house. So let's find out. These are straight lines and curves. You can put lines and curves together to make a shapes. The second page is, these are lines. A straight line does not bend, it does not wiggle. It can go on and on. Find lines in the building. So you can ask your child or students to look at the pictures, and please can you show me where you can see line? Put lines together to make a shape. A rectangle is made from lines. The lines make sides. Rectangle have 4 sides, 4 corners. They are right angle. Find a right angle or rectangles in the picture. So you can ask your child or your students, look at these pictures and to show me the rectangle. A square is a special rectangle. It has 4 lines that comes together. The lines are the same length. The lines make the sides and corners. The corners are all the same. Find the square in the building. So look around, guys. See if you can find a square. Example, this is a square, the yellow color, and also the blue color. It doesn't matter the color is different, but the shape is same. It has 4 sides, it has 4 corners, and they are all equal size. Now, this is a special shapes, a rhombus. Some people call rhombus, some people call diamond. Rhombus has 4 sides. All of the sides are the same length. A rhombus is not always a square. Its corners can be different from each other. Find a rhombus in the building or in the picture. You can ask your student. And this is a special another shapes, a triangle. Triangle has a 3 line that comes together. There are many kinds of triangle, and you can see even though it's 3 different sides, but they are all triangles because they have only 3 sides and 3 corners. So you can ask your students or your child to find triangle in these pictures. And this page is about circles. A circle is a curve that goes all the way around. A circle looks the same no matter how you look at it. We said that circle is a round. Find the circle on this building. So you can look at it around and show your students or your child. Find a different color of circles. Some could use a purple color, blue or green. Or you can ask them to draw circles. So now I'm going to show you the last page of the book. This is, you can play a game or you can ask them to name the shapes in this page. And also end of the reading of the book. You can ask your student or your child, look around in the house or in the classroom. Can you find me a shape that's here? Or you can play a game about shape hunting. Last month, I did a remote learning with my students with Precut classroom, and we had fun activity. I asked the student to find some shapes, what they can find with the household items. Some people found tissue box is a rectangle, and some people found egg is an oval, and other things like a ruler is a rectangle. So you can create the activity whatever way you want. Now I'm going to show you guys activity and some shapes. These are some shapes. It's made with plastic. This is a rectangle. This is another rectangle. It's a different size. This is a triangle. And this is another triangle. Even though big and small, it doesn't matter. It doesn't change. This is a rectangle. This is blue. This is yellow. It doesn't matter the color is changed, but the shape is still the same. This is a circle. Okay. And this is a square. So sometimes you can make things with a square or triangle. I also cut some shapes, square with the construction paper, triangle. So with this, what I can make? I can make a house. I can glue it and make a house. So the same thing I did, I already made it before. All I use is glue. And I use the square. And I draw window. And what shape is the window? Square. And I draw a rectangle shape. And the small rectangle again. And draw the circles to make my door. Now, this is my house. All I use glue stick to make the house. So let me show you guys. So this is the house I made with what shape I use? I use triangle and square. Also I use rectangle, and also I draw square. And this is a 4 square here for the windows. This one I cut a big rectangle and I use a triangle. And I made a building. I draw a line and I made it 4 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, I draw a rectangle shaped door and the square for the windows. So you can try this activity with your child or your student. Also, if you want to make more interesting, you can ask them to color, different color, give them crayons and markers.